good thing to be reporting that you just spent the night wrestling an angel. It is usually a very disturbing sign if you were reporting you've had a conversation with someone who is dead and has risen from the grave. These are diagnosable problems in our secular Western realm. These are the backbones of our belief systems, we in the West as well as we humans in non-Westernized settings. Schizotypalism runs through all of human history. What you wind up having then is this obvious question, who invented this stuff? Who came up with a notion that the world was invented in 7 days, or snakes with apples are up to something no good, or it's possible to give birth and you're still a virgin? These were not designed by committees. These were designed by extremely formative, extremely influential schizotypals throughout history. Yes? Yep, it's genetic evidence. Those same studies showed that it runs through, the adoption studies showed it's a biological trait. It runs through the biological side of the adoptive pedigrees. It's a genetic trait. What the new studies are now beginning to show is mild tendency towards increased dopamine tone, mild tendency towards most of the biology we heard about. What we're seeing is totally artificial bucket to say schizophrenia up to here, past this side, non-schizophrenic. We have this in-between zone. Like everything else we've been thinking about, it's on a continuum. And it seems to be the same biology in a much milder form. Question somewhere there?